Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing now. We appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Canon MAXIFY MB5150. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask. It's 4-in-1 if you like. In the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this gear. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. What we're going to do is we're going to unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. This will help you to make informed choice about this gear. This is Canon MAXIFY MB5150. This gear deserves your attention and is using ink cartridges 2500, red, blue, yellow and black. So basically, let's unbox this gear and check it out. This printer is for office work, for businesses, and is compatible with Windows. So basically you can scan to cloud, scan to USB memory, touch screen, scan up to 1200 resolution. Okay, nice. So this is ink cartridges in various color, ink. This is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included. This is line to connect telephone line. Likewise, to connect telephone line, and information pack is included in the packaging. This is software disk, okay, to download the software to your PC. Nice. There we go. Beautiful stuff. Wow, how amazing. Cool stuff. Here we go. Look at this baby. And this is another information pack, okay, in various languages. Canon get started. Amazing stuff. This gear is very compact. So here is the scanner, flat belt scanner. Stick your document, ID card you want to copy and scan to the scanner and select the function. It will do the job. This is Canon MAXIFY. Now I'm going to turn this around for us to see. At the back we have the, open up this section, to check for any paper jam and debris. Beautiful stuff. Here we go. So check for any paper jam and debris at the back. So this is where to check for any paper jam and debris, and gently close it. Okay, so to open it up, you just need to put your hands here and pull it out. Okay, so you just need to put your hand right here and pull it out. So it's in, and the power cable goes in. The power cable goes in here. So I'm going to plug the power cable, and so stick the power cable inside. I must say no USB cable, unfortunately, so this telephone line and broadband line goes right here. Okay, it goes in here. Now I'm going to bring the USB cable. This is the USB cable. We have this at Vinetech store, free delivery here in UK. Canon can use it, Epson can use it, Brothers can use it, all the printers can use it. It's universal. So it goes in here. Okay, and this flat end goes to the back of your PC. Then you download the software. With this Canon inkjet selfie software. Once you download it to your PC, then you should be able to follow the instruction to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. But if you connect this printer using your mobile device, okay, then you don't need to connect it to the PC. Now we're going to plug this on to the socket. So plug it on to the socket. Here we go. Now bring this out. So this is the paper tray. Here is the paper tray. You load particular paper you are using right here. Okay, so this is the paper tray. Now, if you want to extend it, that's what to extend it, you need to press this down, press it down, okay? Push your hand down, then to extend it to A4 paper, okay? So you can load various sizes of paper. You can see right now, this is the full page, okay? If you want to close it, just press down and close. So this is how, and you can see it's inside. Bring it out, press, okay? So press the front one. Once you press it, you see a hole here. Okay, initially it's like this. Okay, but if you want to extend it, just press the front one, okay, and extend it. If you want to close it, press the back one. Okay, press the back one and bring it inside. And once you bring it inside, everything will be in completely. Okay, so I'm going to open it up, press it this way and extend it. Here we go. Then you need to look for the cover, okay, to cover it up if you like. Okay, so this is the cover. Okay, just need to bring it out. Okay, here we go. This is how it is supposed to stay. Then you bring this one out. Now what we need to do is to switch this gear on. This printer is beautiful, very nice look. Open it, this section up. Okay, the ink cartridges holder is right here. And bring it out, okay, so that the ink cartridges holder will come right in the middle. Once you switch this printer on, it's come right in the middle for you to change it. It does this automatically. Okay, this LCD screen, you don't need to remove the packaging, it protects it. Okay, so this is the LCD screen. Now what I want to show you is, so the ink cartridges holder is right here in the middle. I'm going to show you how to switch this printer on. Okay, and for us to switch it on, I'm going to bring the camera close. So this is the on and on button. Maxify, you can see So this is the home. This for you to go back. This is black, copy black, and copy color. Okay, this is cancel. So right now it's getting ready, Maxify. And if you look inside, you can see the ink cartridges holder is moving. You can see once it's set, it will come right in the middle for you to change it. It does this automatically. Here we go. You can see it's right now here waiting. You can see it's telling us now install the ink cartridge, ink tank yellow to replace a different ink. Select next. Okay, so this is the overview of this printer. This printer is nice gear. It deserves your attention. It's compatible with Windows and this gear. You got 250 sheets paper tray capacity. Okay, 3000 duty cycle, high page yield, and two-sided printing, which is automatic document feeder, wireless printing, Ethernet cable. Although Ethernet cable is USB cable, is not included. Auto two-sided print, single pass paper size, and also you can print 24 print per minute for black color and 15.5 print per minute for color. Okay, so this gear is using standard ink cartridges. 2500 is what is using. Blue, red, yellow, black. You can also use extra large. Okay, you can use 2500 ink cartridges extra large, which is compatible with it. This gear is mobile printing gear, so you can use your mobile device and to do a lot of stuff with this printer. Okay, now I want to show you in terms of the compatibility. Okay, compatible with AirPrint, Wi-Fi satisfied. Okay, and also compatible with Mopriya. Okay, so I thought to show you this gear. This printer deserves your attention. I'm going to show you on my next video how to basically install the ink cartridges. Okay, so it's what we're going to do. This is the ink cartridges we're going to store on my next video. If you're happy with this unboxing and overview, please do consider to subscribe. From right here, right now, you can see the language English. So you just need to select the language. Okay, for instance, select the language to English, click OK. Yeah, and if you want to scroll down, then you scroll down. This is up, select English, United Kingdom. Okay, now it's asking us for development and marketing of your product that better meet customer need. Canon request that information related to your Canon product be sent to Canon. Click next. Okay, agree to terms and condition. Now you put the date. Okay, so already select the date. Okay, click next. Okay, and select the time, for instance, and tap OK. So right now it's telling us things we need to do. Basically, to install the ink cartridges is what we're going to do. It's telling us right now, please wait momentarily. If you're happy with this unboxing and overview, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much. This is Canon MAXIFY MB5150. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you.